Hi friends. In the previous part we discussed the RTU configuration and tag creation. Now in this part we will discuss HMI configuration and tag creation. Okay. So let's start. First open the HMI software. So Advantech HMI software, HMI Navy Designer. Okay. So always using latest version of that software. This one will get freely in web browser. Okay, then go to file, new project. So give you a project name and create a folder. So this page allows you to create a communication link with the RTU. Just to follow my steps. So link number is a link 1, link name same like what here mentioned, and the link type we need to select a direct link Ethernet, and the device server we need to select Modicon. Modicon Corporation. Then automatically declared sub devices means Modbus TCP slave device slave TCP IP. Then go to next option. So this part IP address, this is parameter settings. So IP address we need to call RTU IP address 122.168.0.20 and port number is 502. Node address we need to keep it to 255. Okay, then timeout time just called 30 seconds. Okay, so what we mentioned in our RTU configuration side, same like here 30 seconds after late timer 122.168.0.20, then a node address 255, then timeout time 30 seconds. Okay, then finish. So our communication part is completed now. Now we need to do tag creations. Okay, so link 1, add subgroup, tags name, first integer read, that is a 16-bit unsigned integer only, and next one is integer write. So first is a status, another one is a comment. Okay, means reading analog value, first one. Second one is set points, means integer set points. So all analog input addresses started from 30,000 only. So in our RTU side we called 100 address for this first integer read. So along with the 30,000 101, so always plus 1. Okay, same like a integer write we called it 200. So all analog output address start from 40,000, so 40201. Okay, that is also 16-bit unsigned integer. Next we created real read and a real write. This also same, starting with the 30,000 and output is a 40,000, but small changes, 32-bit floating point. Okay, if you are creating a second 32-bit floating means plus 2. Okay, 401 means add 403. Next address is starting with 403. In our RTU side we called 400 means next address will mention 402. real write 40,000, 300 in our RTU side, so 301. Okay, next bool read. This bool read starting address from 10,000 only. So in our RTU side we called address 600, here 10,601. That final one bool write. Okay, so bool write 500 address. So all digital inputs starting from 10,000, all digital outputs starting with the 0 only. 501. Okay. So tax creations is completed now. Now we will concentrate on animation part. So create the animation part. Okay. Here I am creating a status animation in command buttons and analog integer reading and set point objects, analog real reading and set point objects. So one by one I will show here, just to follow my steps. So pump animation and everything you will get it from outside, and inside the library also is available, but animation wise we need to do in outside only, just on pictures and off pictures. So fit to object and central position. So we will create a transparent also. Same name will never repeat it. So fit to object. So on pictures green, off pictures is gray only. Okay. If bool read is on means that the pump animation will get green, off means is gray only. Command button. Here lot of operation status have. Bool right. So now here I called only momentary on, momentary off. Okay. Set on, set off options available. So start. Set on pulse, set off pulse means we'll get only one pulse once click the button. So when I am clicking means that is a green color, if not clicking that is gray color. In stop same bit we called here, but momentary off. Okay. And animation color it's revert. Okay. And the name we need to call stop. So this is command button. Next option, go to numeric entry. Sorry, numeric display first. So that is integer only. So 16-bit unsigned integer. Then integer read. Okay. So there is no decimal. If you want scaling means you can do. Next, numeric entry. Numeric entry means set points. Same like integer type. And you see pop-up keyboard. So that real read points. So you can select how much decimal you want. Just do it. Same like so 32-bit floating. Same like decimal will give 5 and 2 means 3 number dot 2. So real read. Okay. So everything. So I created a bool read, that is a status, and bool write means command buttons, and integer read, this is feedback from RTU, and integer write, that is set points. We will give set points from HMI to our RTU. Same like real also. This two is integer, this two is real. Okay. So once done everything, we will go to compile this project. That is panel under compile. Okay. Then go to panel download option. So here just to click Ethernet and HMI IP address. We need to select HMI IP address 122.168.0.30. Okay. Then start download. Okay. So everything's now completed. I think you like my video. Please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.